gotta rise above it. Mm-hmm. Got a lot of people always asking, yo Johnny, how I be like you, Johnny? Let me tell you what, ain't but one Johnny Supertech out there. But I got a tip for you today. I've been noticing this Roomulator card floating around, right? Got one here in my wallet right here. Let me tell you what, Johnny don't buy nothing unless he get 2 for 1. So while y'all out there trying to roomulate, I'm gonna get paid and let myself in. It's go time. That's a Johnny Supertech tip for you right there.